can you start your affiliate marketing journey with just Facebook? Guys, this video is going to be talking about the tools, and I'm going to share with you specifically what tools I'm using within my Facebook journey, but as well where I'm learning the skill sets to help you build and start to generate some traffic and leads. So if this is interesting to you, I'm going to be straight to the point, get this video done for you guys and share with you my strategy, everything within the time frame of this video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, the bell notification in case you're interested. Otherwise, let's just quickly jump into my strategy. For you guys to understand, I use Facebook as my main lead generation source when it comes to the kind of offer that I have on the back end. So I'm focused on building an academy, basically a place where I can teach these strategies and skills and this information through an academy. That's the affiliate product. You need to know two things when it comes to affiliate marketing. One is how to generate traffic or advertise your offer, and two is how to convert that offer into an actual sale. Okay, these are the main two things, and that goes hand in hand with sharing, so knowing how to advertise, and then marketing that so that you get that conversion. Okay, so marketing includes the copy that you're writing, it includes the strategies that are there, it includes the kind of positioning that you have. There are multiple elements to marketing as a whole, which you can obviously learn and take your time doing this whole entire process. Now, the back end, the way that I kind of go and share people with this academy is called the OLSP Academy. Now, you can get started for free and come to our free trainings. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, which will take you here. Let me show you guys, okay? Because I basically created a website for you guys so you can see it yourself. But here you go. So this is going to be in the description of this video. There's a video from me which explains exactly. You can join the free training if you want. All right, and you can find also, if you click here, you'll see it's the easiest way to learn, which is basically teaching about the Facebook method that we're going to talk about. Okay, and then you have the pricing and everything here, everything transparent. Link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. There is no must. Let's go ahead and share with you exactly how I'm sharing this strategy. Okay, so I have been online for a long time, guys. I've had my successes, I've had my failures. I use a lot of tools when it comes to understanding what is the best offer, how do I want to advertise it. So for example, unlike many people sharing faceless methods on YouTube and so on and so forth, I believe that the pure faceless method, really the pure faceless method, which you can get started, it might be a slow progress method, but you can get started today, is Pinterest. And this is a strategy that definitely has a Pinterest as the traffic source, and then your blog as the thing that's going to convert your entire traffic into actual sales. Okay, so this can get started literally overnight. But that being said, I got into affiliate marketing because I was focused on paid advertising, and I still am focused on paid advertising, although I leverage Facebook, YouTube, and many other free platforms, but I focus still on paid advertising. So the way that I've structured this entire strategy is that it is a funded proposal. So it creates a fund that I use in order for me to buy traffic and build my email list that way. But I also use Facebook as a whole. Now, in the actual academy itself, when you do get started, if you go beyond the free membership, because as a free membership, you get access to these live trainings every single week. So on a Tuesday, and I believe on a Saturday, you get access to at least these two trainings every single week. It will be in your calendar here in case you guys are interested. Okay, this is as a free member. I'm just telling you, you'll get access to this, but usually it's on at 3 p.m. UK time on a Saturday, and on a Tuesday it's at 7 p.m. UK time. So that's the different areas that are available. And then if you do take the step and go a little bit further, okay, take a little bit of an effort to go further, you get access to the mega link. Now, the mega link, guys, is where I got started as well, and costs you $7. But with the mega link, if you go to the skill center right here, and I'm just going to click on the mega link, you'll see that there are 6 training modules. Okay, so remember I told you this is an academy. This is the back end product that I have. It costs $7, by the way, on the front end, but it's a back end product because of the kind of people that I know. If you are serious enough, you take this journey and go ahead and upskill yourself, because there are different levels to it. So the MegaLink training is here. You have the Facebook one-on-one training, which is what we're using to generate leads. And we have the Viral Hub that helps boost our posts on Facebook. So let me just link these two things together. Facebook is a strategy that teaches you how to add the right friends, how to get the right messaging out there, right? Add the right posts basically, and then taking that message and pushing it out to the algorithm itself in Facebook. That is where Viral Hub comes into the perspective. You also get access to a traffic challenge, which I highly recommend to do, and you also get access to list building, TD pages, and magic. So these 6 are the options are available. Depends on you whether you want to get started list building this way with a little bit of paid traffic, because some people have a budget, or you want to use the organic method. It's up to you, obviously. So these are the two things. Now I included, if you do decide to get the MegaLink, guys, I included a bonus right here that talks to you specifically about this training and gives you a consistency blueprint that can help you. Now I have a very, very strict strategy, a very strict approach to my Facebook, and this is how I build it up. The idea here is always to use Facebook and then the Viral Hub. But if you're not using the training in Facebook, a lot of people just use the Viral Hub and they don't use the training in Facebook. This is when Facebook will flag you. So if you are using external tools, or if you are using some way to boost your Facebook engagement and so on and so forth, which the Viral Hub can help you with that, and you're not spending time on the platform, this is the biggest thing. The reason why I post on YouTube is because I spend a lot of time on YouTube. The reason why I post on Facebook is because I spend a lot of time on Facebook. So the moment you do that, it helps you with then getting your marketing done. So be a consumer of the product itself. So be a consumer of the social media platform and start to use it so that you start to get better results out of it. I hope that makes sense. But Facebook one-on-one training is really good. It's about 2 hours. You get done in like less than half a day, because this is 2.5 hour training, all of the videos. So you can get it done pretty quickly. And in 30 minutes, you're done. So literally, let's say 3 hours and you're done with both of these training sessions. And then you can add on, the rest later on whenever you have the time or whatever it is. I'm saying this because in the MegaLink, I talk about the consistency blueprint, which will keep you focused on manually doing the Facebook step-by-step training. But I do have, there's a next level, which is called Live Profit Builders. In Live Profit Builders, the only difference is, guys, is that you get a little bit of extra training and more earning opportunity. So there are different academy levels. Second level is Live Profit Builders. And with the Live Profit Builders, I am giving 2 bonuses available. So just want to say this because it helps you directly with Facebook. So one of the things that helps you directly with Facebook, I should have added the video here. I haven't added the video yet. I will. But one of the things that helps you with Facebook is that I specifically use a GPT right here. Okay, so you can follow step by step the guidelines that I'm doing and how I go about doing it. But basically, within the OLSP Academy right here, you can use your AI profile to build AI recommendations for yourself, so that when you go to the events and you start to promote the events, you can literally click on, let's say, invite and earn. You can, sorry, not market. Let's do this. Invite and earn. You can go right here, click on marketing materials basically, and you'll be able to get the, sorry, let me go here. And okay, it's not showing. That's weird. Invite and learn, get marketing materials. Here we go. So you can see right here, it opens up the marketing materials. You can write your email. You can generate a Facebook post, Instagram, LinkedIn post, really depends. And there will be more things coming up. Okay. Blog introduction if you want. That's quite cool. There are quite a few things that are coming unupdated to this. This is not the final version, guys, but having a marketing profile will help you, because then now the AI is going to be doing a lot of the heavy lifting for the marketing itself. Okay. So that's the step-by-step guide that I teach you, as well as the second bonus, which we are going to see. That's something that I created personally. So there's going to be a link here and it will take you to it. It is basically a GPT. It's a tool. It's a software that I created for you guys. And as you can see, it has the purpose of just the 3 things that are available. So if you want to make sure that you are leveraging Facebook in the right way, Then you ask yourself, what kind of post do you want to create? So you can click on what post do you want to create. And I will show you guys my strategy, the way I do it, because it makes sense. And then I'll give you, if you want a live, this is all based on the training itself. Okay. It is based on the training itself that you find here in the skill center, guys. So when it comes to this Megalink this Facebook one-on-one training, the GPT is built on top of that with a few cool things, but it's built on top of that. Okay, so it asks you what kind of post you want when it comes to that training. You just reply or just add the number, and then it'll start asking you more and more questions so that your post is built. So I'm going to share with you just an example of how I personally have been using it. Okay, so let's say we want to write my posts. So this is with me writing my posts. Okay, so you can see right here, I came to the GPT, I used it, I said I want a lifestyle post. It asked me a couple of questions. I didn't have any ideas yet, so I started to speak to it, and this is within basically an hour I did all my posts. I got a few ideas, and then you know what I said I'm gonna have share with them some content, which a recent conversation that I had, because you can always do that. And then it started to build out the post for me. So this is the post that it built. It shared with me some information, and then what I did is I wanted to make some graphics. So the GPT doesn't only it doesn't only write the post for you. It can create the images for you, and it can also do a couple of other things. Okay, so which is why it's beautiful. I love it. It's like an all-in-one tool that I'm using every single week. I'm doing this for myself, guys. If you want access to it, the way you can get access to it is only through having the Live Profit Builders. So there's going to be a link to this page in the description of this video. If you go to Live Profit Builders right here and you go to the checkout page, I'm just going to show you very quickly. You'll see immediately on the top right here are the bonuses that are included. Okay, so you get access to the bonuses that are included. Live Profit Builders is a monthly or a yearly payment. Now, if you have the possibility, I would suggest to go for the annual payment, just because yes, it's $500, but you get access to the entire year. You have 12 months to put it into practice. You have me helping you in your corner, all those good things. Okay, so you want this bonus? That's how much it is in the bonus section as well. So let's go back to the GPT and share with you. So I, for example, now use this to create a photo of myself, a photorealistic image of myself, which I used in my Facebook post. So I wrote a post, I wrote the Facebook thing, and then I started to continue to write more. So let's go back to the GPT, the creator itself, because I want to show you guys something. And you can see a couple of things that you can use it for. One is you can start to create your post. Let's say you don't have any ideas, okay? And you know that these are the 3 questions that are available. You can start with, do you need some ideas, post ideas? Start off there. Then ask the GPT what kind of post you should create, or maybe give ideas of what kind of post you want. Either which ways, it'll help you. And then after that, you can build your image by just adding an image of yourself and explaining. Okay, I use the GPT to create photorealistic pictures of myself all the time, guys. If you go to my Facebook, you'll see that I have a lot of images that are there on my Facebook, which are basically what we consider AI twins, right? Or rather, information that's there. Now, I do take pictures of myself, but this is a really good picture of myself with me promoting a product. Or this is a picture of myself. This is not AI generated. I do have some few other ones that are generated with AI, because it really depends. This is ones that I like on my own. And I always suggest to have a mix on your Facebook, because the moment you have a mix on your Facebook, people connect with you more. So that's an additional step that you can take. But that's why I add a little bit of my own images here, because even though it's not perfect, that imperfection is making me stand out. Okay, if I have images like this, which is clearly AI, okay, this is clearly AI, and I wanted to make it clearly AI, I didn't want it to be in your face, but this is how I kind of am doing it. Or something like this, which is just, a little bit of promotion. These are all images, guys, that I've created based on the content of the post itself. And that's something interesting. Let's say you don't know what image to make or create. Guess what? You can build an image that is directly connected to the post that you have available. So for example, I'm going to share with you guys in a second. This is an image that I created based on the post that was available. So I had a post talking about certain things right here, and this image was created from the post that I have. Okay, so it took the content, suggested a scene, and then because it had an image of me, it created this image. This is an AI image. Okay, so the GPT has all those bonuses for you, and basically when you do this, as you guys can see right here in my post, you now leverage. Now you're going to go to the academy and then follow the rest of the academy training, right, to boost your post up, get more images, expand your view, and then obviously that generates more sales on the back end because of the leads that keep coming in. All right, it does take time, it does take consistency, it doesn't happen overnight. But if you want this GPT bonus, if you're struggling with ideas or whatever it is, reach out to me. I do also have a post on Facebook about it, so if you have access to me on Facebook, you can request it there, and you guys know how you can get it. I've shared in this video. But if you have any questions, let me know below. If you're using this tool, please give your feedback on below this video, so that other people can understand whether it makes sense for them or not. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true. Cheers, and I'm seeing you on Friday.